Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change notification settings in Line. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Line app. Here go to gear icon on top right corner. So here you can see many options. Simply scroll down and tap on notification. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you can change your notification settings. Let's say I want to change or disable notifications. Simply tap on this icon and it will disable your notification. If you want to disable other option also, you can simply turn off it. In order to turn off it, simply tap on it and it will disable. Like when you enable it, it will show you green light. If you disable it, it will show you black light. So this is how you can change settings of notification. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.